Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Touch ID Fingerprint on iPadAir 13. First, you have to open Settings on your iPad. After that, scroll down to Touch ID and Passcode on the sidebar and open this menu. Enter your passcode. Then, find the Fingerprints category and tap Add Fingerprint. After that, you're gonna have to start using your fingerprint, or rather fingertip, to enroll a new fingerprint on your device. Use a fingerprint that you're gonna be using to unlock your device, and just place your fingertip on the sensor and lift it until the pattern on your screen gets enrolled. It's almost filled. Tap OK and try to move your finger around the sensor. And once your fingerprint is enrolled, tap Continue and continue by adding the edges of it. So try using different parts of your fingertip. And once you see complete message, tap Continue. Now we can lock the screen of our tablet and unlock it just by placing our fingertip on the fingerprint sensor. Of course, first of all, we're gonna need to enter the password, but it's just one-time requirement. And from now on, we can unlock our device using our fingertip. Like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.